guys, I'm Naman and today I'll be telling you how to use the Goodnotes 5 on iPad. So this is the Goodnotes 5 and I have this Apple Pencil 2nd Gen. So this is the view you get after you open the Goodnotes 5 app. And as I have made this MBPS folder and I have all my subjects here, and inside each subject I have my notebooks. So you can make a folder here, like I'll make a folder now, and this is the scribble feature of the iPad which came in iOS 14. So we made a folder that is test, and we can make subfolders inside it, as in we can write one here. So if you double tap over this plus sign, it will quickly take you to the quick notes and will work with the pre-settings that you used, as I used the white paper with the narrow rule page. And inside these subfolders you can make a notebook. You'll get these options. You'll get the option to select the cover of the notebook. Let's select this one. You will get the option to select you'll get the option to select the paper. There are these options. You have the paper color, which is white, dark and yellow one. I use white paper, and you have the Goodnotes standard paper A7, A6, A5, A4, A3 and the letter. I use the A4 one. And here are the options: blank, dotted, squared, ruled, ruled wide, cornell, and all these options. I use the ruled narrow one. And we can give a notebook name here, like I will give it rough, and see the scribble feature. My handwriting is pretty bad and still it can recognize it. So we choose this cover right here and we'll create a notebook. So this is how it looks like, and you can write the subject here. I personally use the brush pen, and let's write rough. And if you think you wanna resize it or move it, you can select this lasso tool and just do this, and you can also resize it with this. This is it. And then here is the pen option, and you get 3 types of pen. This is the fountain pen, and you have the sharpness here and the pressure sensitivity. So this is how it looks like when you write with fountain pen. It uses the pressure sensitivity, and you can see here that if I press it hard it will write thick, and if I don't press it hard it will write thin. So this is it. And then there is a ball pen, and this pressure sensitivity doesn't work, and it's overall I like this one better. And then there is a brush pen, which same thing. Then there is a eraser tool, and we have this feature in Goodnotes where it is auto deselect, in where we double tap here, and when we rub it will automatically. And then we have the highlighter tool. We can select the color. We can select any color we want from here, and if we highlight it, it just goes under the text. It doesn't come over the text. So if I write here with ball pen, we choose black. So if we highlight here, you can obviously choose this how much thick or thin you want. It goes under the text, so how much you can do it, it will not fade away what you wrote. This is the good thing. And about the shapes, if you will draw a circle and you'll just hold it, it will automatically do it. Same for the square, rectangle, and the triangle, lines. Yeah. And you can directly insert the pictures, like you can just insert the picture right here. You can resize it and you can directly work over it, like you can just select the pen and write over it, or you can just mark it, whatever. And you can also scan the documents and place the picture here with this camera. You have the text option if you want to write the text, and this is the laser if you want something to present. It works like this. You can also open another Goodnotes app side by side. You can just import a textbook in here, like let's go with this, and you can import in the Goodnotes. So like you see, the book is imported here, and then we can just see the contents and go to a specific chapter. Like I'll go to, let's say, energetic system and drugs. And from here, if you like, you want to copy this image here and write about it, you can just select the lasso tool. You'll select the image here, you'll take the screenshot, you'll just hold it and paste it right here. You can move it anywhere you want. You can also crop the image. And now if you want to write over this image, like this is Vesa McCall, you can write it like this, and you can write about the image, like these are the mescaline receptors, these are nicotine receptors, anything like that. So, and you can copy the text like this, and you can paste it right here. Like this. If you want to write anything here after this, you can just write it. And with naked eyes, you can never notice the latency you get with the Apple Pencil. It's just like so low that it's like 9 milliseconds or something. So this is how we use it, and then you can just, these 4 squares that you see here, you will just click it and you'll see all the pages that are created in your notebook, and you can just bookmark them, or like you start a new chapter from here. So you'll just do this, and we'll do just add page outline, and let's say we write cholinergic. here is it. It is, and you will see the contents cholinergic, and likewise you can add the outline and you can just go directly to that page with this. This is how we use Goodnotes. I personally use Acrobat as my book reader, and I open Goodnotes 5 side by side to write something like this, and I'll just read it from here. We have good features like you just get 5 GB cloud space on Apple iCloud, and so this is a document cloud for the Adobe Acrobat, and I have all the books on the Adobe document cloud, so it saves the space of the iCloud. So guys, this is it about how we use Goodnotes 5 and the iPad to take our notes. And if you want any content related to iPad or anything, you can just tell me in the comments and I'll try to upload it and help you guys with anything. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.